USDT trc20 is now available on your Tonkeeper wallet. So if you've been using your Tonkeeper to transact on a on-Ton network, don't worry, the wallet has been updated to accept USDT trc, and I believe as time goes on, 𝐕𝐢𝐿20 and other network will be available. Now a lot of cryptos are upgrading. On your metamask wallet right now, you can actually accept Solana. Solana is also on metamask. The industry is becoming so competitive that every crypto wallet have to upgrade to meet up the standard of wallet system right now. Now another update reaching me is that Donald Trump has also created his own wallet system and a trading application. Months back, he started by creating Trump token and then went up to create a stablecoin USD1. Now he has created his own trading. So a lot of things is disrupting the crypto market. So what are you bullish on? What are you happy about? Okay, like this video, subscribe.
Well, it looks like your back hurts because you don't own enough Bitcoin.